Quad gang. 6 seconds, 5 seconds, 3, 2, 1. It's open. Check, it's open. You know what's open. I'm entering in the queue right now. It's loading details right now. As we speak. Still the meeting. Quad gang, how's everyone doing today? Happy Tuesday with it. You already know it drops. Oh my gosh, I gotta put my address. Chat, hold on. Updating. It's updating. Quad gang, this is huge. Still in the meeting. Quad gang, I'm lagging. No shot. Yo, no way. What's going on? Is the meeting even still starting? Internal error is crazy. Bro, come on. Don't be doing this to me. Yo, it's already a minute? GG's, we're done. No. Chat. Are you serious right now? Oh my god. Quad gang, I'm like literally taking a dump right now. And like, can you update? Bro, it's not updating, bro. Chat. Oh, Quad gang, come on. Something went wrong? Yo, GG's. Oh my god, I need a wipe. Quad gang. Bro, what happened? Should I relog? Yo, what is this? Q gang, no. No. Wash your hands. Wait. Why is this not working? Oh my god, we're in. Updating still? Dude, for how long? Oh my gosh. Payment. Oh, we're in. Double click to pay. Bucking. We're in the queue. Chat, we're still in the queue. You're in line for a chance to cop the new Yeezy 350 Boost. Good luck. You are in the queue to place an order. Sit tight and good luck. Yo. Did we wash our hands good? That was good. Quad gang, that was good. Trust. That was good. How's everyone doing today? Be honest. Quad gang, I'm doing pretty good. I woke up pretty early today. Quad gang, listen. Usually I don't wake up this. I mean, I kind of. But like, Quad gang, I had a tough time sleeping last night. I didn't know you can go live on YouTube Shorts like that. Still in the meeting. Quad gang, hold on. Yo, how long do I have to wait for a queue? Oh my god. Shit, oh my god. I don't know what to do. Quad gang, these shoes are so nice. Quad gang, if you haven't known, we're waiting on these Yeezy Boost 350 Turtle Doves. Quad gang, if you don't know what the Turtle Doves are, they are the staples of the Adidas Yeezys. They're one of the ones of the beginnings. Like, Q gang, I've been wanting these for a long time now. Don't forget to hit that follow button. We gotta sit tight and good luck with it. So Quad gang, please hit that heart button to wish me the best of luck. I'm not sure if I'm gonna get the Yeezy Boost or not, but as long as y'all keep on getting likes, that's all that matters. That's all that matters. As long as I tried, as long as you guys hit that like button, Quad gang, nah. I feel so goddamn empty. I make the world won't tempt me. Big bullet holes don't tempt me. I don't. Yo, we're still in line. Come on, I'm just trying to get into the meeting. Quad gang, drop it in the comments below if you like videos like this. Okay, let me know. Let me know if you like I'm a winner. I'm out of